The ID number of this stone is 00018 pi. This stone is natural AJ, Jedi jade from Burma. This stone is under the daylight now. This is yellow light. This is UV light. This is LED light. Diamond tester check. Diamond tester check. $15.95 carat. $15.95 carat. $20.4 millimeter in length. 20.4 millimeter in length. 12.4 millimeter in width. 12.4 millimeter in width. 6.4 millimeter in thickness. 6.4 millimeter in thickness. This stone was cut by myself, so I can guarantee for this stone is a real natural AJ Jedi jade from Burma. You can check this stone with your own gemologist in your country. If my stone is not a real natural AJ, not a real Jedi jade from Burma, you can ask your money back. If you're interested to buy my stone, please send me an email to get my contact number for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good luck.